Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. I cannot hear any excitement, no noise. What's going on? Let's hear you make some noise, people. My goodness, people are here. Thank you for that. I'm Ranjani Haridas, and I will be your host for this absolutely spectacular evening because we are here to absolutely launch something that's amazing, right? I'm super excited about it. I'll tell you why I'm excited first. So, being a girl, being a kind of a young girl, okay, I love owning the latest phone in the market. Not just me, every young girl whose parents will buy her the latest phone in the market or the best looking phone in the market, the highest megapixel camera in the market, loves today. Why? Because every time a new phone comes out, we're all like, wow, that's got the latest technology. It's revolutionary. I want to own it. So for all girls and boys and adults and children and whoever wants the latest, most revolutionary, most sophisticated piece of technology, today is going to be that very day. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the grand global launch of M Phone. And when I say that, let's have a loud round of applause because it's a very, very special dream of a family that's being realized here today. It's a family of three brothers. And they come from the picturesque Wayanad district in Kerala. And we're so, so proud that years and years of hard work and dedication and commitment of these three brothers are actually coming to fruition today. And they are able to present the world, the international market, with a revolutionary brand, the brand M Phone. The M Phone family is headed by the eldest brother, who's also the chairman of the company, which of course is Mr. Roji Augustin. He's sitting right there. Let's give him a loud round of applause. And his younger brother, Mr. Anto Augustin, as well as the youngest brother, Mr. Joskuti Augustin, are all here as pillars of strength of the brand M Phone. I'm so, so happy that we have the esteemed presence of ex-minister MLA Manjalam Kuriyali. He is the chairman of Masaki General Trading. They are the sole distributors of the brand M Phone in the GCC countries. And he's not alone here. His brother, Manjalam Kuri, Abdullah Jiyam, let's welcome both the gentlemen, both the brothers, once again proving that relationships need to be solid for you to achieve, wonderful things in the world. I'm also extremely happy to welcome Shamsuddin bin Muhyiddin. He's the chairman of Regency Group, one of the most influential people within the Middle East and the GCC countries. A warm, warm welcome to you as well, sir. Thank you for your presence here. You've truly made this evening spectacular. A man who really does not need an introduction to a lot of Malayali audiences, a powerhouse of a personality. The man behind it, the CEO of Reporter Channel, Mr. Nikesh Kumar, is also here with us. Wonderful seeing you here as well, sir. Now, I'm sure all of you are thinking, why did they choose Dubai for this launch? Are you thinking that? Why Dubai? It's the hub. Why? Best choice in the world, right? Because this is truly, truly one of the most vibrant cities. It is the global hub. It is the place where East meets West. It is the land of opportunity. And hence, they didn't even have to think twice. They didn't even have to think twice to come to Dubai and do this launch here. And this has the best place with the best support factors and support systems. And what they wanted, their vision and their mission of achieving, they could definitely do so, basing it out of Dubai. And now, let me also tell you that M Phone will be available all over the GCC countries, Malaysia, Singapore, Sri Lanka, South Africa, as well as India. The M Phone has more than 3,200 staff that work for the group across India, China, Korea, and the UAE. And more than that, 200 staff are highly qualified supporting research and development, which is, I think, really huge number. They have some dream projects in the line as well, which I will tell you more about as the evening progresses. But I'll give you a clue. Have you ever seen a transparent phone? Maybe M Phone will help you get there. With the launch of the M Phone, the entire requirements of the new generation truly will be met, thereby revolutionizing the industry. So today we are doing the grand global launch of M Phone, and I think I've made all of you wait enough, right? Are you guys ready to welcome M Phone into the world? Oh, it's like a new baby is being born, but it's not mine. But I'm still celebrating it. Why not? Because it's a Malayali baby, okay? It comes from Wayanad. It's the brainchild of three brothers. And here they are, ladies and gentlemen. But before that, I think I need to let you know that today is a very, very special day for this family. It's a very special day for anybody who loves technology globally, because today, a truly revolutionary product is going to launch itself in the market. But before that, I would like to welcome some people on stage for the product launch. First on stage, the man himself, the chairman of M-Phone, Mr. Roji Augustin. Can I please have your presence on stage? Let's give him a loud round of applause. With the blessing of his brothers and his family, here is Mr. Roji Augustin, the face of the family, the eldest of the family, and of course, the chairman of brand M-Phone. Next, I would like to welcome on stage MLA Manjalam Kuriali, the chairman of Masaki General Trading. In fact, Masaki General Trading is the sole distributor of brand M-Phone in the GCC countries. And of course, he's a gentleman who needs no introduction to any of us from the state of Kerala or across Indian politics. And finally, I would like to welcome the chairman of Regency Group, Mr. Shamsuddin bin Muhiddin on stage. Shamsuddin bin Muhiddin of Regency Group also joins us on stage. Roji sir, I know that you're not much of a talker, but I really would like you to say something, because as I said, coming from the district of Wayanad, representing Malayalis, representing India, the country is presenting a global product for the global market. You're going to launch it right now. What would you like to say?
Good evening, all. I am delighted to see all the present of here for the global launch of M-Phone. Hope that M-Phone became an association with all for us. So come and join together and make this launch and grand success across of globe. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to welcome the brand M-Phone into the global market? Then you have to show me the excitement. Show me the excitement. Make some noise for M-Phone. Much louder. Scream for M-Phone. Clap for M-Phone. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I request Mr. Roji Augustin to kindly launch brand M-Phone here in the international market. Woo! There you go, ladies and gentlemen. The three spectacular phones of brand M-Phone. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Can we... Ladies and gentlemen, I was trying to speak above the music, but that didn't happen. Mr. Roji Augustin is holding the brand M-Phone, and that is M-Phone 8. Can you please show it to the wonderful audience? M-Phone 8 is what he is holding. Experience the elegance of this spectacular phone. We have our next phone, which is M-Phone Plus. M-Phone 7 Plus. M-Phone 7 Plus is being shown to you by, of course, the chairman of Regency Group, Shamsuddin bin Muhiddin. M-Phone 6 is launched by MLA Manjalam Kuriali, Masaki General Trading's chairman. So there you go, 3 new phones. You guys have just launched it. Let's give them a loud round of applause for these wonderful brothers from Wayanad district. They've just launched the 3 most revolutionary phones out there in the market. M-Phone 8, you get to experience the elegance. M-Phone 7 Plus is beyond comparison. And the M-Phone 6, adds more color to your life. Thank you so much. Thank you for the wonderful launch. And we have the 3D presentation about the M8. I would like to know a little more about the M8. So can we have that on the screen, please? Thank you very much, Mr. Roji Augustine. Thank you. Applause for these fantastic products. I don't know how they can even trust 3 new phones on the stage with me. Such a great opportunity to steal. Is it one for each brother? Is it like... No, it's for the 3 of you. So smart. All right, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Okay, so I previously thought it was for the brothers, but they kind of took friendship over brotherhood right now. But it's okay, that works too. So you know what the best part of getting a new phone is? You tell me. What is the best part of getting your brand new phone? That you didn't pay for it? No, I'm joking. Tell me. What is the best part? That you got a new phone. No, I'll tell you what it is. The best part is always when you open it. Is when you unbox it. Because that's the first time you're going to make contact with your phone. You know how it is when you buy something new, it's nice. Like when you get married, it's really great. Like after 10 saal, it's boring. Like, no, I'm joking. I'm just looking at them because he's like, whatever. No, that's not true. We love them forever, okay? It's not like a product. Okay, so the best part is unboxing your new phone. So I thought I'm going to unbox all these products here with you, explaining how it works. So let's unbox our first phone here, which was launched by Roji Augustine, M Phone 8. Experience the elegance, people. I absolutely love doing this, okay? You've seen tons of unboxing videos as well, I'm sure. There you go. It's 64-bit, 2.3 gigahertz Helio, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB internal storage, with a 21 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front cam. They have a wireless charger, which looks very, very neat. Fingerprint security, which is absolutely important. An OTG Type-C USB connectivity. A 5.5-inch FHD display. With absolutely good-looking 3.5mm headsets. Type-C OTG cable. And they truly look fantastic. They even throw in a wireless charging case. It's truly a very, very good-looking phone with all the latest technology, as you can see. A travel charger for all those people who travel a lot. Warranty card. The ejection pin, otherwise you have to use a safety pin, and that's not very nice. There you go. That is M Phone 8, and I just unboxed it. I like it, at least I feel like it. M Phone 7 Plus. There you go. It's truly beyond comparison with a 5.5 FHD display, a metal uni body, which is always sleek and sexy, a 4 GB RAM with a 64 GB internal storage, which is required in today's world. Anything less than does not work. A 16 megapixel back camera, 13 front camera, a front and back LED flash for all those pics looking super good. The M Phone 7 Plus is truly beyond comparison, as you can see right now. Which now brings us to the M Phone 6. This one adds more color to your life. The M Phone 6. The M Phone 6 adds more color to your life, everyone. 5.5 FHD display, polycarbonate, comes in 4 colors, rose gold, gold, gray, and white. 3 GB RAM, 32 GB internal, processor core data of 1.3 gigahertz, 13 megapixel back, 8 megapixel front. Excellent camera security and battery facility, dual LED flash, fingerprint security for this one as well. All these phones are extremely good-looking phones with amazing battery life. As I said, it comes in 4 options of colors for you. The M Phone 6. Phones, let's give those phones a loud round of applause. I do want to add something I missed out, okay? The M Phone 8 comes in 2 colors, the gold and gray. The M Phone 7 Plus comes in 3 colors, golden, silver, and gray. And the M Phone 6 comes in 4 colors, which I just mentioned. But we've got a few more products that the M Phone family is offering you. So can we have a look at the next one? The wireless headset. Well, you know how important that is in today's world. Somehow when technology is growing in the world, we need stuff to keep up with it. We want the best products. Check that one out. Isn't that like 2 magnificent pieces of technology? And it's so small and you have to be careful not to lose it, which is why we give you a really nice case. The M Phone wireless headsets, clarity, and just product quality is right up there. What's next? What else can we offer? The 24-karat Ultimatum Gold, the Veronica Pink 18-karat, and the Marvelous White 18-karat power banks of 6,000 mAh are also additional offers from the brand M Phone. They also have the classic phones in 24-karat Ultimate Gold, 18-karat Marvelous White, as well as Veronica Pink 18-karat. These are additional offers from the family of M Phone. That's kind of exciting to own as well because it's like a little bit shining. 24-karat, 18-karat. I mean, when you're offering a product to the international market, you want it to be that. I'm going to unbox it. The M Phone 7 Plus. Now I just want you to enjoy looking at it. Octa-core processor, 64 GB internal storage, 4 GB RAM, 3000 mAh battery, Okay, I really want all of you to give this brand a loud round of applause, as loud as you can. Because we must not forget that the base of this company comes from a little state in India, down south, an extreme corner of that state, Wayanad. And to be able to present these super amazing, highly technical, revolutionary products to the international market here means that customer base is going to be a global one as well. So the quality has to be a global one as well. The research has to be global standards. Everything about this product has to match up to the best of the world. So your competition isn't small. It's really huge. So everything that you spend into this product has to be of a global standard. And I'm so proud that these 3 brothers, these 3 Malayalis, are presenting a product of that very standard to the market. And we're so happy that you're able to do that today. And we congratulate you and wish you all the best to have the greatest successful career with this brand M Phone. And I hope that it's a sellout. I hope that your dream of achieving a 50% market share within 2020 will be a reality. And your dream, which is to make the first ever transparent M Phone and bring it to the market, I hope that happens really soon as well. The research and development happens in Korea. and the manufacturing happens in Shenzhen, China, and the corporate office is in India. With all these wonderful countries coming together, I truly believe that you have a global phenomenon in your hands. M-Phone, everybody. Once again, loud round of applause. Okay, now it's time for us to celebrate. Who's ready to celebrate with this, with me, with brand M-Phone? Who's ready? All right then, presenting before you, celebrating the launch of brand M-Phone. It's with a lot of pride that I welcome this musical superstar. Presenting before you, the one and only, Sunidhi Chauhan!
खुशी है इश्क में खुद को भुला के छू धूम मचा ले 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 धूम hey you once again धूम once again all you people once again hey hey धूम मचा ले Good evening, everyone. I said, good evening, Dubai. How are you feeling? I love the weather here. It's beautiful. And I think we're going to have a very, very good time tonight. Aren't we? I need to hear you louder than that. Are you ready to rock and roll with me? Bounce, bounce. Just keep on bouncing. Sing it. Bounce, bounce. Come on, sing it. One more time. Bounce. Just keep on bouncing. पलवल की धानों की तू, ख्वाबों की बाहों में आजा ज़रा जानिया। छुप छुप के धड़कनों की सुन ले सदाएं आजा, बाहों में रह ले आजा जानिया। अब तो बातों में रखा क्या है, जब हर पल तेरी आँखें कहती हैं सब कहानियाँ। जरा फिर bounce baby bounce, महकी महकी हवाएं, महकी महकी जाएंगी जवानियाँ। जरा फिर keep on singing, bounce, bounce. Come on, people, sing it, bounce, 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 bounce. Just keep on bouncing. Woo! Hey, yeah. Yes, you can make some noise. I like noise. Come on, louder than that. Fantastic. Do you hear this? You know what that is? That is my heartbeat for you. So why don't you clap along? Come on. Everyone. People in the back. People in the back.